Hi everyone, and today my topic of discussion is gap junctions. So, gap junction is the intercellular junction, which is also a specialized cell junction which directly connects the cytoplasm of two cells. It is also called as nexus or macula communicans. Structure of the gap junctions. Gap junctions. So, membranes of the two adjacent cells lie very close to each other, and the size of the intercellular space is reduced to 1.5 to 3 nanometer from the usual size of intercellular space. Cytoplasm of both the cells is connected with each other through the channels formed by the membranes of the two cells. So, molecules move freely from cytoplasm of one cell to another without the association of extracellular fluid. Each channel consists of two halves, half channel also known as hemichannels, one in each cell's membrane. So, there is formation of a bridge between the two cells. Gap junctions consist of a number of transmembrane channels which are found in closely packed arrangement. The number of gap junctions shown between two cells may vary as well. Each of the half of the channel is known as conexon, and each conexon is made up of symmetrical integral membrane protein units known as connexins. So, each of the channel is made up of 12 circularly arranged connexins. So, this is a diagram of gap junction. This is the gap junction, and the connexon surrounds the gap junction. This is cell 1, this is cell 2. Now, this is the diagram of the connexon. This is connexon, and this unit is connexin. This is connexin. So, location of gap junction. Now, gap junctions are virtually expressed in all tissues and cells, but most notably in cell types which are involved in direct electrical communication, such as neurons and cardiac muscle. Gap junction is also present in the basal part of epithelial cells of intestinal mucosa and other parts. So, this is the gap junction in cardiac muscle cells. You can see the gap junctions. Function and regulation of gap junction. So, gap junctions allow various molecules and ions to pass freely between cells. It allows the passage of glucose, amino acids and ions and other substances which have a molecular weight less than 1000. It also allows electrical communication between the cells and allows passage of small second messengers. It involves in rapid propagation of action potential from one cell to another cell. Now, the regulation of the diameter of the gap junction. The diameter of the gap junction channel is regulated by intercellular calcium Ca2 plus ions. So, increase in Ca2 plus ion causes the connexin surrounding the channel. Each channel is surrounded by 6 connexins which make a connexon. So, the connexins surrounding the channel come close to each other by sliding, and which causes the decrease in the diameter of the gap junction. The diameter is also regulated by pH, electrical potential, hormones or neurotransmitter. So, this is a brief discussion or brief note on gap junction. It's on gap junctions, structure, location, function, regulation of the diameter of gap junction. So, here I am ending my today's video. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.